Hello artists, students, and color enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered why certain colors just look amazing together, or how artists create such vibrant palettes? It all comes down to understanding the language of color. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of color theory. It's a fundamental concept that can unlock incredible possibilities in your art, design, and even everyday life. Get ready to see color in a whole new light. Let's start with the absolute basics. There are three special colors that cannot be created by mixing any other colors. These are our primary colors. Think of them as the foundation of everything else. They are red, yellow, and blue. These three colors are the source from which all other colors are born. They are the starting point for any color mixing adventure. Now, what happens when we mix these primary colors together? We create a new set of colors called secondary colors. Mix red and yellow, and you get orange. Combine yellow and blue, and you create green. Blend blue and red, and you produce violet, or purple. So, our secondary colors are orange, green, and violet. They sit right between the primary colors on the color spectrum. Next, let's talk about complementary colors. These are colors that are directly opposite each other on the color wheel. When placed next to each other, complementary colors create the strongest contrast. They make each other look brighter and more vibrant. For example, the complement of red is green. The complement of yellow is violet. And the complement of blue is orange. Using complementary colors can add excitement and energy to your artwork. They create visual tension and draw the viewer's eye. To really understand how colors relate to each other, we use a tool called the color wheel. It's a circular chart that shows the relationships between primary, secondary, and even tertiary colors. The color wheel is your map to navigating the world of color. It helps you see which colors are next to each other, which are opposite, and how they all connect. It's an indispensable tool for planning color schemes and understanding color harmony. Every artist should have a good grasp of the color wheel. Now for the fun part. The best way to learn color theory is by doing. Let's create our own simple color wheel. You'll need some paints in red, yellow, and blue, a brush, a palette for mixing, and a piece of paper or canvas. Draw a large circle and divide it into 12 sections, like slices of a pie. First, paint your three primary colors in 3 sections, spaced evenly around the circle. Leave space between them for the secondary colors. Next, mix your secondary colors. Mix red and yellow for orange, yellow and blue for green, and blue and red for violet. Paint each secondary color in the section exactly between the 2 primary colors that created it. You should now have 6 colors on your wheel. For a more complete wheel, you can mix primary and secondary colors to create 6 tertiary colors. For example, mix red and orange to get red-orange. Place these tertiary colors in the sections between their parent colors. You'll end up with a beautiful 12-section color wheel. Creating your own color wheel is more than just an exercise. It's a hands-on way to internalize these concepts. You'll see how colors mix and how they relate spatially. Understanding primary, secondary, and complementary colors, and using the color wheel, gives you control. You can intentionally choose colors to evoke specific feelings, or create desired effects in your art. Keep practicing mixing colors and observing how they interact. The more you experiment, the more intuitive color theory will become. So grab your paints and start exploring. The world of color is waiting for you. Happy creating!